welcome to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to seed Aadhaar with SBI bank account by visiting an SBI branch. Now keep in mind that it is crucial to handle your Aadhaar and bank details with utmost care. When you want to visit an SBI bank, go to the nearest SBI branch close to you. Carry along with you your original and a self-attested copy of your Aadhaar card. Obtain and fill out the Aadhaar seeding form. Submit the form along with a copy of your Aadhaar card. Now the bank official will verify your documents and process your request. It's important for you to know that you should always ensure the accuracy of the Aadhaar number and bank account details you provide. Be cautious of fraudulent activities and only provide your Aadhaar details through official SBI channels. It's always a good idea to check the official SBI website for the most up-to-date information. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.